Greetings for the day, Chef Paddy. My name is Jay Patel, and my student ID number is 3011044984. I am recording this video for the assignment 2 of the chef profile to 2-year plan. So my 2-year plan starts from August 2020. So I am right now working at a restaurant called Pizzeria Libretto. Uh, it's a very well-known restaurant. It is basically based on Italian cuisine. They serve Neapolitan-style pizzas, and all the appetizers and the desserts are solely based on Italian cuisine. So starting from August 2020, I want to learn how to make pizzas, how to stretch a dough, and like how to prepare a dough from scratch, like making starter for the dough, and make what hydration should be in there for the dough. So I want to learn that, and how to cook the dough in the wood fire ovens, how to cook a pizza in the wood fire oven, how to maintain temperature in a wood fire oven. I want to learn about all that. Moving that to September 2020, I want to work at the prep station. So at prep station we prep all the appetizers such as deep fried calamari, arancinis, risotto arancinis, and meatballs, and many more stuff. So it's basically we just make it and keep it raw, and it goes on the stir station before we serve it. So it's cooked on the stir station. So I need to learn how to make those, and how to how does all the uh, con condiments work, like how does sorry how does all the ingredients work together. I need to learn that. And and moving on to October 2020, I want to work at the guard station. So at guard station we make carpaccios, salumi boards, and antipasta misto, and all the salads. So I want to learn at what thickness should be a meat sliced to eat it raw, and like what's the science behind making what's the science behind the all those recipes and the meat, and how they taste, and how they mix plate flavorful. Moving on to November 2020, I want to work at the stir station. The stir station is basically where we make pastas, and uh, calamaris, arancinis, and meatballs, uh, and it's just the thing that we cook them there, and it goes directly out to the expo, and then it's served to the customer. So I need to work on that hands on to for the stir station, because it's a really busy station, and I want to learn the speed and how to be perfect on the stir station. And moving on to so I want to do this in the December 2020 as well. And moving to Jan mid, I want to work at the pastry station. And pastry station we make tiramisus, gelatos, and we also bake focaccia. It's a bread. So I want to learn how to make a focaccia, and tiramisus and gelatos, all those things. So moving forward, in January until mid Feb 2020, I will be working on this station, and then continuously rotating on all the stations so that I can learn everything. Moving forward in March 2020, I want to work at the expo of the kitchen, where all the orders come in, and we need to get this all the prepared food to the restaurant, and to the front of the house. and all the orders goes through the expo. So I need to work on that skills. I want to learn how to manage a kitchen, how things work at the expo. So I'll be learning that, and I'll be vigorously practicing that. uh, Moving onward to August 2021, I want to become a back of house manager, kitchen manager, and I'll be working there as a full time, yeah. And also want to start, and also I'll start preparing for my Red Seal certificate. Uh, Red Seal certificate, you already know what's Red Seal certificate is. It's a certificate which counts really important for the chef. If you get the Red Seal certificate, you are qualified and are known as certified chefs. So I want to start working on that, and I'll be working full time as a hotel or as a kitchen manager. So I need to work on the skills how to manage a kitchen, and I'll be learning how the things work in the kitchen and what's the role the kitchen manager has to play for whole team moving forward. So I want to do this for 6 months, and moving forward till 20 February 2022. I'll work hard to get my Red Seal certificate, and then apply for a job in Marriott Hotel as a line cook. That's one of my dream, to work in a Marriott Hotel as a line cook. And moving forward, as I get to know everything more better, and I become more efficient in all those things. Moving forward, in June 2022, I'm planning to open my own restaurant. It's gonna be a restaurant with a Neapolitan style pizzas, but with an Indian touch to it. I basically don't want to open a restaurant in Canada. I want to open the restaurant in India, because Indian people would definitely like this idea. I won't think it will work here, because the Canadian population is more towards the Italian culture, not more towards the Indian culture. That's what my belief is. But I think this would really boom in India. So I'll be planning that. I'll be working on my menu for my own restaurant, and uh, uh, I'll see whatever best I can do to make my business successful. So I'll be working on that, and besides that, I'll be working in the Marriott kitchen as well. Um, uh, and moving forward until 2021 of August, I want to open my restaurant. It might get postponed. It might be to August 2022. I want to open my restaurant. It might get postponed a little bit, September maybe. It might get postponed a little bit, but I think until December 2022, I will open my restaurant, and I'm really looking forward for that. Just I forgot to mention, once I start my uh, journey, once I start my work for the Red Seal certificate, I want to develop my pastry baking skills, and I look forward to Chef Matthew James Duffy, one of your good friends. So I'm seeking help from him right now. He's a really good, kind man, and I'm seeking help from him, and I'm taking as much knowledge as I can. And I'm really looking forward that I'll be a good baker until December 2022. But until August, that's my ultimate goal, is to open my own restaurant in India. That's all for my 2-year plan assignment. I hope you like it, and I really appreciate for all those. I really appreciate all the chefs for helping me out for all this course this semester, and I'm really glad that whatever I'm pursuing right now, I love this thing, so I'm really grateful. Thank you.